Dear students, today we are going to start determinants. Determinant is a numeric value of a square matrix. As we know that A is equals to Aij is a matrix form, and determinant of A is written like this, and it is a numeric value of a square matrix like 2 by 2 matrix or 3 by 3. So we are using the determinant A is the numeric value of a square matrix here. If the matrix is having only one element, then determinant of order 1. Suppose we have 3. So the value is also 3 of this. So it is called order 1 determinant. Because the only element is 3, that's why the value of is also 3. Now we are taking an example of 2 by 2 square matrix. The determinant of that matrix is like this. Suppose we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the modulus sign to represent determinants. So there are 4 elements here. In first row we have 1 and 2. In second row we have 3 and 4. How we can evaluate the numeric value of this 2 by 2 square matrix determinants? So first we are going to multiply these two numbers, 1 multiplied by 4, and then 2 multiplied by 3 with negative sign. So 4 minus 6 you will get minus 2. This is the numeric value of determinant of that square matrix of 2 by 2. So it is called order of 2. And now we are going to learn about the third order, order of 3. Suppose we have a matrix like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. It is a 3 by 3 square matrix, and we have to find out the determinant of this square matrix, that is A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the expansion of this determinant, keep watching carefully. We can expand it according to any row or according to any column. We are having the same value. There is no difference. We are using any pattern. So I am going to use here first row. According to first row, I am going to expand this. The first value is 1. Then multiplied 5 by 9. Use minus sign. 6 by 8. 6 into 8. Then apply minus sign for the second one. Minus 2. Leave that column and row in which that number occurs. And now we are taking these 4 numbers, 4, 6, 7, 9. So having the same pattern, first multiplying 4 by 9. 4 multiplied by 9 minus 6 multiplied by 7. Then apply plus sign. The first value is positive, second negative, and the third is positive. This is the order to take the sign. Now writing here 3, and for that leave the first row and third column. The rest 4 numbers are 4, 5, 7, 8. and applying the same pattern, 4 multiplied by 8 first, use minus sign, then 5 multiplied by 7. Now simplify this one. 1 into 45 minus 48 minus 2 into 36 minus 42 plus 3 into 32 minus 35. 48 minus 45 minus 3 here. 42 minus 36 minus 6 multiplied by minus 2 plus 12 here. And 35 or 32 minus 3 multiplied by 3 minus 9. So 12 minus 12 becomes 0. This is the numeric value of this matrix A, which is called third order determinant value. So the determinant is the mean of numeric value of a square matrix. So what is the difference between a matrix and a determinant? Determinant is a numeric value, whereas matrix is not. Matrix cannot be expanded. 3 by 3 का है तो 3 by 3 का ही लिखा रहेगा, 2 by 2 का है 2 by 2 का, लेकिन इसका एक्सपेंशन हो सकता है जिसके न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू निकलती. So this is the first difference. What is that? Determinant has a numeric value, can be expanded, whereas matrix is either 2 by 2, 2 by 3, 2 by 4, 3 by 3, square or any other type matrix, but not having the expansion. The second difference, which is order. Determinant can be spherical shaped, like 2 by 2, 3 by 3 or 1 by 1. But matrix have any type order, 1 by 3, 2 by 5, 3 by 2, spherical, rectangular, any type of matrix can be possible, but determinant are always spherical shaped. So which means these are two different concepts. So determinant is a numerical value of a square matrix. Now we are going to read about Sarus diagram. According to this method, we can directly expand a determinant. Let the determinant is given here. A1, A2, A3 the first column, B1, B2, B3 the second column, C1, C2, C3 the third column. 3 by 3 order determinant we have here, and we want to expand it according to Sarus diagram, in which we are writing here some numbers as you see here in cyclic order. First I write ABC, then BCA, then CAB. After negative sign, the same pattern repeats. Now I am going to show you the Sarus diagram. Means first we are using this diagonal shape. As you know, A1 is having outside, so write here 1, and this number multiplied by this number, B2, C3. That's why I write here 2, 3. This is the mean of this first one. Since I change the order here, now B, C, A I am writing here. So write here A1, A2, A3 outside, and B1, B2, B3 outside. Repeat the same pattern. What you observed here? B1, which means write here 1. C2, 2, and A3, 3. So the second term is B1, C2, A3 with positive sign. Now the third term C1 A2 B3, that is C1 1, A2 2 and B3 right here 3. Okay. So the first column according to Sarush diagram we can write like this. Now for the second part, using from here, follow the same rule. A3 B2 C1, A3 B2 C1. This is the first one going through this side. Now the second, start from here, B3 C2 A1, B3 C2 A1, and now the third, this one, C3 A2 B1. So it is very easy. According to Sarush diagram, we can expand a determinant of 3 by 3 order according to this pattern. In this, we have cyclic order terms ABC, BCA and CAB, and all that having 1, 2, 3. Here is also cyclic order ABC, BCA and CAB, और सब में फिक्स है 3 2 1 3 2 1 3 2 1. इधर 1 2 3, उधर 3 2 1. इसके अकॉर्डिंग अपन उस नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स को यहाँ पर एडजस्ट करते हैं जो जिस नंबर पोजीशन पर है, और इसको एक्सपेंड करके उसके वैल्यू डायरेक्ट निकाल सकते हैं. तो पहला पैटर्न था लॉन्ग पैटर्न, जिसके अकॉर्डिंग अपन उसे एक्सपेंड करते हैं. वो चाहे अपन किसी एक रो के अकॉर्डिंग हो सकता है, किसी कॉलम के अकॉर्डिंग हो सकता है. और ये दूसरा पैटर्न मैंने आपको बताया जिसे अपन सारुश डायग्राम कहते हैं, जिसके अकॉर्डिंग अपन इसे एक्सपेंड करते हैं किसी भी 3 by 3 के स्क्वायर determinant. Now we are going to learn about multiplying by a scalar number to a determinant. किसी determinant को किसी scalar number से multiply करें. In case of matrix, you know that if we are going to find 3a, which means we are going to multiply each and every number of that matrix by 3. 3 0 3 0 3 6 0 0 12. Every element of this square matrix should be multiplied by that number which is outside the matrix side. But in case of determinant, we are only multiplying either a row or a column, single row or a single column by that scalar number. यानी डिटर्मिनेंट के अंदर केवल एक रो या एक कॉलम को ही अपन मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, जबकि मैट्रिक्स के अंदर उसके सारे एलिमेंट मल्टीप्लाई. तो यदि अपने को यहाँ 3a निकालना हो तो विच मीन्स होगा 3 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4, and this 3 either you can multiply it by first row or second row or third row, either first column by second column or by third column. So it is equals to 3 0 3 0 1 2 and 0 0 4. It is the difference. So if we are multiplying by a scalar number to a matrix, every element should be multiplied. But in case of determinant, only one row or one column, any of these should be multiplied. Okay, got it? 4.1, we have to prove a result. Determinant of 3a is equals to 27 of determinant A. Whereas a square matrix is given here, A is this one, and the determinant is this one. First I am going to expand this determinant. 4 RHS. So determinant of A is according to first column. Expand 1 first column and first row dropped it. The rest elements are these 1, 2, 0, 4. Now use minus sign here for this one. This one is positive, this one negative, again positive. So second row element live, first column elements are live. The rest are 0, 1, 0, 4. Plus the third element is also 0. First column and third row drop. The 4 elements are these 0, 1, 1, 2. Expansion of these two. 1 multiplied by 4 minus 2 multiplied by 0, 0. Any number multiplied by 0, you will get 0. Same here, 0. So the value is 4 here. Here is, we are going to find out now determinant of 3 LHS. Determinant of 3. So determinant value of 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 6, 0, 0, 12. According to first column, again I am going to expand this one. Write 3 here. 3 2 12 36 minus 6 multiplied by 0, 0. And the second term is 0. Third term is 0. So there is no need to write there. 36 multiplied by 3, 108. The determinant of 3a value is 108. Now the RHS, which is 27 times of determinant A. So what is that? 27 into 4, that is 108. And what is LHS value? Left hand side value is also 108, which is equals to LHS. So the result is proved that determinant of 3a is equals to 27 times of determinant A. ये भी प्रूव करके दिखा रहा है कि एक रो को ही अपन उस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर, यहाँ मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा था इसलिए सभी को मल्टीप्लाई किया. यदि अपने को एक डिटर्मिनेंट दिया हुआ होता लाइक दिस और इसको अपन 27 को 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 3 के हिसाब से सोचे तो फर्स्ट रो को 3 से इंटू कर ले, सेकेंड रो को 3 से कर ले और थर्ड को 3 से, जो 3 बाहर रहेंगे उनसे, तब भी सेम ही रिजल्ट आएगा जो अपनी इस बात को प्रूव करता है.